So the FCC won't let me be, so let me see. The crowd is shut down in MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on, Jeff, come on the left, stop Jeff, come on the left, since I'm on the left, get hands up in the citizens. I'm shouting already. Fuck you there now, this looks like a trap.